everybody, good day and welcome to the Hillside House. This is Myra Khan. In today's video, we are sharing how we made our own bricks. Building a house is very costly, especially if you don't have a building loan like a bank loan or building society loan. So we, like us now, we are building out of our savings, and the little things can add up quickly. So we are on a budget, and we are always looking for ways how to cut cost in at this on this site. So one of the ways we found was, or I believed, was to form our own bricks, because we have the river sand nearby. It's just behind the river is just behind the house, and the transport, we are using the local guys to transport the sand to the site, which is not that much. We have the water from the fountain, which is just stone throw, maybe 100 meters from the house. And the only thing we got really that was a bit pricey was buying the cement, because we had to buy all our cement from a nearby town. So, in the young boys or the young guys that are helping us out here are all family members, and yeah, they came at a price. It's not free, but yeah, it is. It is the boys from the house. So I hope that you will take away something from these videos, and if you are looking to build, maybe that you will employ the same saving mechanisms that we are using in these videos. Please, you guys, please, if you like the content, please do subscribe, like, and share the videos. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy the video.